Hello, this is the tutorial for my latest Japanese Lego puzzle box with 2 laps. So 6x6 plate, smooth pieces all around except they have a 2x2 space in the middle. Then you put a 1x2 smooth here, so it's only a 2x1 space or studs, if you know what I mean. Here it will be a 1x2 and 2x2s on each other, like this. So you can put your price in there, but we do it later. This piece back here is 3x1, 2x1, 1x1 smooth, and then there's a 1x1 with a 1x1, 2x1 with a 1x1. Oh, oops. 3x1, 2x2, 1x1, 1x2, and I don't know if I actually need to say what piece it is, because you think you can see it by yourselves. But yeah, so you put it under here, and this piece on here. Yeah, so this will be here, slide there and there. You get it. And this piece here will be 4x1 with 2 1x1 on the sides, 2x1 with a 1x2 under here, 1x1 smooth. Yeah. So you put it on here, the smooth pieces here. Ta-da! Okay, so the side pieces is 8x1 or 1x4s, 1x1 bricks, 2x1, 2x1s, 2x1s here, like that, because you don't want to have a 3x2. Oh, here, 3x1, 1x1, 2x1, and smooth pieces like that. Put it on. Shitty focus. Okay, focus. Now you take a 6x1 or 2 3x1s. And 2x1 and smooth piece on top like this. Put it on here, like this. And then you take a 6x1 with a 1x6 under. If you know what I mean. Not, Mr. Bean, if you know what I mean. Yeah. And then 2 1x1s and 1x1s and a smooth piece on top. Like this. You can make your own design if you want. That will be better. So you can see, so this can slide first than this, and then you will slide the other piece, so you can slide that, and once more. Chain reaction. Okay, so our last piece is basically the same thing. Here's a bottom, 3x2, but you put it 1x1, and on top, here's the piece. No, that wasn't the same. Okay, 1x1, 1x1, you can see it. Smooth pieces there. Then you want to build a. Here's a 1x2. I'm getting crazy to focus. it's my cell phone, mobile, or XP array. Okay. However, so 3 by 1, 1 by 2. You can see here 1 by 1 here, smooth pieces, and take 1 by 2 smooth here to put here, and then here. Oh wait, no, I don't think so. No, wrong, like that. I'm sorry. Like that. Okay, and then just the same thing with this piece on, and the top. Here you go, and the roof, or what you call it, is a 6 by 1 with 2 by 2 smooths. Make 2, and to connect them, a 1 by 4 with a smooth piece on. What was I about to say? Okay, mine is loose, so do something else to make it strong. I don't know. A 6 by 2. I did something on top. For stability, you can take 2 another 6 by 2s on the side, because this is very loose. And you put it on, and then some press, and you're ready to go. So thank you for watching, or thank you for building if you do.